Assalamualaikum. So in this video I want to show you on how you can convert this video here, for example, or any video that you have that you want
We
to
end this
convert.
course by
Yeah.
discussing
As you can see here, this is my lecture video, one
that
of
you
my
can
lecture
sell it to
video, which have only 11 minutes. Only 11 minutes. Seems short, but if we look at the size is 15.6 gigabytes. Yeah, the size is 15.6 gigabytes, which is too large and consume a lot of storage space. So that's why sometimes we need to convert, especially if you produce video like this, like what I have produced just now, that I produce in high definition formats, and I don't compress it, and therefore the size is too large, and because of that we need to convert it or we need to compress it. And how to compress it, especially if you want to share your video later on in online, whether you want to upload in YouTube for example, so you need to reduce the size, especially if you have a very low internet speed. Yeah, that's why we need to reduce the size. So I want to show you how to reduce the size by using this software here, Handbrake Software. So this software you can find it, there are links inside this video. Yeah, so you can just click the link. I will put the link under this video. uh, this website, the handbrake.fr, you can download it, this software from this website. It is a free software, free because it is an open source software, so you don't need to worry about money or anything. Just use this software. That's why I want to choose this software. This is a free software, but quite a good software, a good quality software that you can choose. That's why I recommend this software for you to use. So just drag, just run this software, and after you install the software, just run this software and drag this file inside this software, and you can recheck it again to make sure the resolution is correct. And the best format that I want to suggest to you or recommend is H265 here, yeah, which we call high efficiency video codec, HEVC. Yeah, so you can search about HEVC online later if you want. Yeah, so you can try to search about this and MKV formats. So basically, for students under my sections or under this course, in my course that I teach before, I will teach this part, or I will share this part here later in chapter 4. But for those who just come to my video, my YouTube video here, you can search it online later. Why I suggest this? Because actually it gives a very low size video, but still remain the quality. So you don't need to make the resolution smaller. For example, like my video here, I already produced it in 1080p with 30 frames per second. So I just choose the same resolution, meaning that I will not make it smaller. But if you produce 720, then you can choose this one. If you produce 576p, you can choose this one. And if you choose a 4K video, then you can choose this one. So it's up to your video size. That's why you need to check first what video size you have, so that you can choose the correct one. And if you don't want to reduce the size like me, so you can just choose this video, this size here, and just click here, and then it will change the format into MKV. And then you can try to play around with the dimensions. If you don't want to change any dimension, so you just leave it, but still make sure you check this, because sometimes it is automatically changed according to the black level, the dark level in your video. So you need to adjust this again. But if not, if it is correct, 1920 times 1080 resolution, which is my video. So because this is a correct one for my video, therefore I just leave it as it is. But if it is not, then you need to adjust it later. Yeah. And then you can play around here, but this is not quite important. Yeah, it is similar to here. There are a lot of things that you can play around, but if you if you want to leave it as it is also okay. So you don't need to worry. The most important thing is first is just choose the format into H265 MKV and according to your resolution. That's it. And then after that, you just choose your location of your video, the directory of your video like this. For example, my directory, so I can just change this to my directory of my video, and then I rename it edited one, and then just finally just click start encode. And when you start encode, it start to produce the video, and then you need to wait because it takes some times because it need to compress the video as small as possible. So let us wait for a while, and then I will skip to the end of this video. And finally, after about 30 minutes, then we have completed this converting this video here. And if you can see, the final file size is just 191 megabytes only, which is just about 1% of the original file size like that I shown you before. So this is one way for you if you want to save some storage space after you produce your video without reducing the quality of your produced video. So this is my produce or my final version of my video. As you can see, it still remain with the high quality as what I want, but with 1% of my original video size. So this is an alternative for you if you want to convert your video. You can choose this software, a free software, Handbrake. You don't need to worry about money, and that's it from me. Hope this video is beneficial for you, and hope you are enjoy watching this video. So stay safe, stay curious, and stay joyful. I'm Ikhwan. Thank you very much for your listening, for your interest in this video. May God bless you. Assalamualaikum.